Good morning, everyone. Welcome back home. Today, we have a special guided morning meditation to help you start your day on a positive note. Before we begin, find a comfortable and quiet space. Sit or lie down and let's dive into this 5-minute journey together. Remember to take deep breaths and allow yourself to fully immerse in the present moment. Let's get started. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying. Feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. As we embark on this guided morning meditation, let your thoughts drift away, focusing only on the sound of my voice and your breath. In this first minute, let's begin by cultivating gratitude. Reflect on something specific you are thankful for today. It could be a person, a moment, or simply the gift of a new day. Take a moment to express your gratitude in your mind. Inhale deeply, and with each exhale, let that gratitude expand within you, filling your heart with warmth. Now, shift your focus to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. As you breathe in, imagine positive energy entering your body, filling every cell. Picture this energy as a bright light, cleansing and rejuvenating. As you exhale, release any negativity or tension. Continue to breathe consciously, embracing the simple yet profound act of breathing. Bring your awareness to your body. Starting from your toes, slowly scan up through your legs, torso, arms, and up to the crown of your head. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine a wave of relaxation washing over those areas, releasing any tightness. Allow your body to soften and be present in this moment. Now, let's introduce positive affirmations, drawing inspiration from Psalm 1. Repeat silently or out loud. I am like a tree planted by streams of water, yielding fruit in its season. My delight is in the law of the Lord, and I meditate on it day and night. I am blessed, and whatever I do prospers. I am firmly rooted, unshaken by the storms of life. Let these affirmations resonate within you, creating a positive mindset for the day ahead. Feel the power of these words as they shape your thoughts and intentions. As we approach the final minutes of our meditation, let's engage in a visualization exercise. Picture your day unfolding with positivity and success. See yourself navigating challenges with grace and ease, and imagine moments of joy and accomplishment. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and radiating positive energy. Take a deep breath, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute guided morning meditation. I hope this practice brings you a sense of peace and sets a positive tone for your day. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead. Until next time, take care.